Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. Today's topic is Hindu temple found inside in Qutub Minar. So let's start the video. Recently, the Delhi court on May 17 adjourned a hearing on an appeal seeking the restoration of 27 Hindu and Jain temples in the Qutub Minar complex till May 24. The petition has been filed on behalf of Jain deity Tirthankar Lord Rishabh and Hindu deity Lord Vishnu. The petition alleges that the Quwwatul Islam Masjid, located within the Qutub Minar complex, was built in a place of a Hindu complex. The petition seeks restoration of the alleged temple complex, which allegedly comprise as many as 27 Hindu and Jain temples. Now we will understand what is the key demand of this petition. The petitions aim to exercise the right to religion guaranteed by Article 25 and 26 of the Constitution of India by restoring the 27 Hindu and Jain temples with their respective deities. It alleged that the temples were dismantled, desecrated and damaged under the commander of Qutubuddin Aibak and raised same construction at the same place of temple, naming it as Quwwatul Islam Mosque. It claims that as per the Archaeological Survey of India, the 27 Hindu and Jain temples were demolished and Quwwatul Islam Mosque was raised inside the complex, reusing the materials of the temple. The petition also seeks to declare that Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva, Lord Ganesha, Goddess Gauri, Sun God, Lord Hanuman, and Jain deity Tirthankar Lord Rishabh have the right to be restored at the site of Quwwat Mosque Complex, Mehroli, after rebuilding the temple complex with the same honor and dignity. The petition seeks direction to the central government to create a trust as a Trust Act 1882 and hand over the administration of the temple complex within the Quwwatul Islam complex to the trust. It also seeks a decree restraining the defendants permanently from interfering in necessary repair works, raising constructions, and making arrangement for the puja, darshan, and worships of the deities. Now, we will understand some points about the Quwwatul Islam Mosque. The Quwwatul Islam Mosque or Might of Islam Mosque is one of the earliest surviving mosques in India and it is located within the Qutub Minar complex. It was commissioned by the Qutubuddin Aibak, a commander of Muhammad Gauri and founder of the Mamluk or slave dynasty, to celebrate his win over the Rajputs. The construction of the mosque began in 1193 and was completed 4 years later. It was allegedly built on the heart of the captured Rajput citadel of Kila Rai Pithora, using the remains from the 27 other Hindu and Jain temples. The remnants of the alleged Hindu temples can reportedly be seen till today in the forms of carved Hindu motifs on slavishd and recycled masonry, which are found throughout the mosque in combination with the later Islamic arabesque pattern and Quranic inscription. So this is all about the topic. Thanks for watching.